So welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for tuning in. Technically, hopefully, you guys are doing good and everything is okay. We're going to speak about the young Reggae Girlz and another failure of campaign. And after take a little sit back and look and analyze all these aspects of. We have so much campaigns that have eventually turned into failure. And I do believe that the federation themselves have to have a look within to see that there has to be something that they're doing wrong. Something must be going wrong for so much campaign be failing. Now, the problem we're having here is a lot of things are going like just kind of slide under the table because it's not the senior team and the high priority is set on the senior team and that's where most persons are looking. But as it stands at this present moment, I think there should be a bit of worry also. All right, so let's have a look at the U17 setup, in which I said preparation. They are one of the best, are more the most equipped team I've seen gone into a tournament. I know a lot of persons come in the comment section and said they don't believe that because there is no player in the squad from England. And apparently, if there's no players in the squad from England, automatically the squad is not good. So, to most supporters, it seems as if England is the only place in the world or a world of football where where in the world of football where football is taking place and where quality lies. Anyway, other than that, not going to lament on that. We're going to speak about the Reggae Girlz field and let me just get into the article. Late goal throttled the under 20s CONCACAF progress Nicaragua through. Entering the final game of the CONCACAF Women 20 qualifiers, needing to win to advance. The U20 Reggae Girlz fell just short after a late equalizer from Adriana Mongue, earning Nicaragua a 1-1 draw at the National Football Stadium in Managua, Nicaragua yesterday. Now, Andrew Smith's goal in the 43rd minute gave Jamaica the lead before Mangue leveled the score from a free kick in the 88th minute. The result means Jamaica finished second in Group D with 7 points, tied with Nicaragua, who took the group honors with a better goal difference. That's how when you get small teams to beat, you have to really dump them up because you don't know when goal difference are going to come into play. And football is just football. Sometimes football is just unfair, very unfair. That's the nature of the sport, quite unfair. But nevertheless, you have to give your all. You have to prepare. And what I realize, the gods of the sport or the gods of football reward hard work. You now just do something, or no matter how talented, they just do a little something and expect to reap the reward. No, they don't really operate like that. It was an attacking start for the young Red Girls as they forced Nicaragua onto the defensive during the game early exchanges. The Reggae Girls got their first real sniffer goal in the 9th minute of play when a brilliant cross from Smith found Alicia Stephenson in the box. Stephenson could not convert, however, as her one-time effort hit the crossbar and was swiftly cleared off the line. Tiny Seaton came close to scoring minutes later when she outpaced her marker to latch on to a ball over the top. However, the opportunity was closed on by the quickly advancing goalkeeper. Now, most of the game, you could see the quality that the Jamaica team possess. You could most definitely see the quality that we possess. It's just quite unfortunate. Just the same as let's say with the U17 team, you could see the quality, and it just boiled on that. It goes to show that in football, it doesn't matter how much quality you have. They tend to say that normally the quality teams get over the line. That's not necessarily the case all the time. Sometimes I'm saying hard work tend to be rewarded more often than you think. Hard work and preparation tend to be rewarded way more often than you think. Um, Let me continue. Nicaragua would turn on the pressure in the second half, hunting for the equalizer, and for a second, the host felt like they put level. No, like about 2 goals were disallowed or something like that. When a cross sent to the back post was headed onto the side netty, um, not disallowed. Two times they came close, really really close before they get the equalizer. Stephenson would reply with an effort on her own, just past our mark, but her long range effort sailed just high. Amaya would also test the goalkeeper from distance, this time in the 88th minute, with a shot that was inches wide from the post. With minutes left on the clock, that's when they found the equalizer to decide the group winner as a free kick from Mangua gave the host the all-important point. In the group's earlier matches, St. Vincent and the Grenadines clipped St. Kitts and Nevis 1-0 to take the third spot with 3 points. And St. Kitts finished their campaign at the foot of the group without a point. Yeah, and that covers most aspect of this. But it's another failed campaign and definitely something to look into. It's unfortunate because even though I knew when the girls were camping, they have been camping for a good little stint, maybe about 3 weeks, if I so much, 3 weeks. Yeah, because I know that they were camping whilst the boys were here, whilst the U17 boys were here. So I knew that they were camping. Um, That's quite an interesting talking point again. Something I do think a lot of persons still might take up and lament on. Let's go also in positive news. The Reggae Girlz defeated Peru in the first of 2 game series, defeating Peru 2 goals to 0 in the opening encounter. Let me just bring that up so we can just read that article. And the coaches and Coach Busby, Hugh Busby, as you can see, the interview is actually on my page. You can go check that out. Check that out. Is pleased with overall performance from the Red Girls after defeating Peru in opening friendly. Despite impatience that led to a somewhat chaotic game, Jamaica senior Reggae Girlz delivered a dominant performance to defeat Peru 2-0 in their first of 2 international friendlies on Sunday. The victory was much to the delight of the head coach Hubert Busby, and the Reggae Girls secure their win thanks to goal from Jody Brown in the 5th minute and Kyla McKenna in the 52nd minute at Estudiado Miguel Grau in Lima, Peru. The team's victory marked a significant milestone, and Busby praised his players for their hard work and dedication. Busby was particularly pleased with the team's ability to create scoring opportunities and maintaining a clean sheet. This is what the coach said. Obviously, we got the result we wanted as well as a clean sheet, which is always very satisfying, especially in international matches of this magnitude on away soil. I'm pleased with the overall performance. Busby commended the players, in particular those who made their debut, including Jasmine Ferguson and Naima Illington. This is what the coach has to say. I'm ecstatic with the young players who came in. Some of them were a little bit out of position, but we had a real talk with each other, with each of them individually outlining their roles and responsibility, whether they were starting or coming off the bench. I thought they did a fantastic job, especially towards the end of the match. Our 2 debutants, Eglinton and Ferguson, I thought did really well. But it's a good start. It's a good start to the campaign. The next match is on Wednesday, which is tomorrow. So we look forward to see that possible tentatively, maybe based off my schedule, I'll do a watch along for that. But this covers all the details I want to run through for today. Big up yourself to the senior Reggae Girlz for winning that game, and well tried to the junior girls. We just have to go back to the drawing board again. We consistently saying that becomes now our brand. Going back to the drawing board and see what's going to happen again. So tell us what you think in the comment section. People, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV out. God bless. Boom. Outside.